Was edited anyway.
Yep. Good to go.
Good afternoon, Stacey from the One Stop Deck Shop. Now this afternoon we're going to go through, have a look at this Helix ground screw. Installing this is very easy. We've actually surveyed this little site. It's for this shed that we've got here next to us to go and sit on a new timber floor. So we've marked out, we've got a few in, just our few test pilots before we do the actual video. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to put this Helix ground screw into the ground here. We've already got it marked out. Rocky's going to demonstrate quickly just how to set up a pilot hole for this screw to go in, which is basically just shoving your crowbar into the hole and then giving it a little bit of movement, creating the circumference to allow for this screw to actually just bite into the ground. Once he's got that done, around about 300 mil in, doesn't take too long at all, and then just placing the screw into the hole, give it a few manual turns, and the screw is set up ready for the machine. And now Rocky's going to take us through the demonstration of just how to operate the machine and install the screw. Okay, so wait before you lift it up.
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna one.
So setting up for the Helix ground screw, what we've got is a prop that runs out. Down here, you can see that's resting against one of the Helix ground screws we've already placed into the ground. Now that's important because otherwise the torque of the driver is going to want to swing that around. Once we've set that up, Rocky will just pick up the machine, place it over top, and if you would, Rocky, chuck it up there. We'll show you just how it goes in. Now the important thing when you come to drive the screw in, you want to have the machine set on high. That is until you get through the actual screw. Once the thread is into the ground, you want to stop, make sure the machine has stopped fully, and then you're able to change gears down into that low ratio. That'll give you the torque that is needed to get that Helix ground screw nice and deep. So if you wouldn't mind, Rocky, show us how it's done. On the video. Now what's happening here, Rocky just does a quick stop and then changes into that low ratio, which is going to take the Helix ground screw down the rest of the way before we get the laser level out. Turned off on the back. Yep. Oh. Start 2.5 minutes on it. 900 feet. Yeah. So just quickly taking the driver off, checking the level. Like another half rotation would have it just about on point. So we'll actually have to go half a turn lower again. We're always able to pack up. So this is the U900 or the U895. From start to finish takes about 2.5 minutes to install. Perfect. So we've got about 5 mil to pack up there, but nice and simple. 2.5 minutes from start to finish, from redoing the hole with the crowbar to the finished Helix ground screw install. So fantastic result. We've got 9 piles, we've got 7 in, we've got 2 more to do. They're going to be another 5-10 minutes max, and we're able to pack up and get out of here. All up, an hour's work, and this shed's going to be able to go in